Hello guys, how are you? Nice to meet you. Many people wonder about coding or people who want to become a programmer are confused about what programming language to start learning from. So in this video, I will explain why you should learn Python. First, easy to learn. The syntax is clear and easy to read. It is very suitable to use, especially as a first programming language. Second, simple but powerful. Writing the code requires fewer command lines than other programming languages. Third, versatile. Can be used for almost anything you need or interest. Python can be used for desktop and mobile programming, CLI, GUI, web automation, hacking, IoT, robotics, and so on. Fourth, very popular, third rank in TIOBE Index 2020. Number 4, most used programming languages according to the Stack Overflow Survey 2020. It's the first, fastest growing and most desirable programming language in recent years according to Stack Overflow. Fifth, Python is widely used by large and top companies in the world. Google uses it in its search engine, on YouTube and others, Microsoft, Dropbox, Instagram, Pinterest, and others. Sixth, portable, can run on multi-platform, Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Java, and Net virtual machines. Seventh, there are so many abundant Python modules libraries that can make it easier for us to make programs without having to write code from the ground up. 8. A programming language that is current because the data science field is on the rise and its branches such as AI, machine learning, and big data. Python is the most popular and widely used because it has a complete library for it such as Sklearn, PyTorch, TensorFlow, and so on. 9th, open source. Python will continue to grow because it is supported by a large community and the Python Software Foundation, which annually holds international conferences. 10th, Python code can be run interactively or interactive mode. For testing, the results are immediately visible. 11th, multi-paradigm. We can write Python with functional programming style and can also with OOP. The OOP is easier and simpler than in languages like Java or C++. 12th, Python code can be embedded into other languages such as C and Java or vice versa from C or Java to Python. 13th, Python is very fast. The source code will be compiled into bytecode. Executing the same file as count time will be faster. Those are 13 reasons why you should learn Python. Hope this video is useful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. See you guys!